Yo boys, it's me, your boy Sub. I'm just chilling here at home, boys. I'm gonna watch some TV, gonna put on the news, all that great stuff. Let's see what's on the news today. Attention Brookhaven. You need to leave the city. There's a nuke coming from Russia, and it's going to blow up Brookhaven. Leave the city, otherwise you will die. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, that's insane. Bro, I can't build a bunker. Last time I built a bunker for 2 missiles, and the bunker barely made it. There's no way a nuke wouldn't destroy a bunker. Bro, I'm so glad baby Sub isn't here. But still, this is bad, bro. This is so bad. I need to find some way to stay alive for baby Sub. I'm so glad baby Sub is on a school field trip. But still, I need to think of something. How do I stay alive? I just came up with a great idea. So, nuclear radiation can only travel up to like 2 miles away from the nuke site. So, if I were to build a boat and go really far away, like 3 miles, I'd be safe, and I would still have a hazmat mask on. So I would be fine. But I need to build the boat still. So, oh my gosh, people are already going crazy. The city's on fire. Bro, this is crazy. Okay, I need to get some food first, because fallout is a thing. The radiation could stay there for a long time. So, I need some food to survive. But bro, this is so scary. Sure, after the missile attack, everything came back to normal. But this is worse, because the radiation, it'll destroy, it'll mess up, dang it, I almost got burnt. It'll mess up everything. You have to stay in your bunker for the rest of your life, because the average nuclear radiation lasts up to like 80 years. Okay, I need to get some parts for the boat. I need an engine. Okay, let me grab a box to put them in. Okay, let's see. Okay, there we go. Got an engine. I need some more parts. Radiator, okay. Now we gotta get going. I don't know why I walked through the fire, but I did it. Okay, I've gotta start building the boat. Okay, boys, I'm here. I'm gonna start building the boat now. Okay, I gotta hurry. Okay, let's hurry. Chibi, chibi, chaba, chaba. This is so bad, boys. This is worse than Bombardido Cocodrilo in real life. Okay, boys, I finished building the bunker. Or, not the bunker, the boat. Oh my gosh, the nuke is gonna hit in 5 minutes. I gotta hurry. Bro, this is so bad. Bro, this is so scary. I really hope that baby Sub doesn't come back to Brookhaven. Okay, we're here. Boys, I'm not even gonna show the when how it looks when the nuke hits. But it's gonna be scary, boys. I just don't wanna think about it. Okay. I'm putting on a hazmat mask. I have it in my backpack. I have like this whole backpack with a ton of stuff that I could use for any situation. So I just pulled it out of my backpack. I'm gonna put some light so I can see, because it's getting kind of dark. Boys, the nuke is gonna hit in 2 minutes or something. Yeah, 2 minutes. Bro, I was right. 2 minutes. Okay, boys, I'm not even gonna show when the nuke hits, cause it's terrible. Okay, I'm just not gonna show it. I think the nuke just hit. You're gonna. I'm not gonna show. Gosh. Boys, well, Brookhaven's gone. Well, goodbye, Brookhaven. Brookhaven's gone, I guess. Goodbye, Brookhaven. Well, at least Baby Sub is okay, and I'm okay. Not sure about other people in Brookhaven. Not sure about the unsleepers. I'm sure they're okay. After all, they live somewhere else. But still, they're my friends. I gotta worry about them. Bro, I'm so glad. But Brookhaven. Brookhaven. No, but Brookhaven, why? Why did Brookhaven have to be blown up by the frickin' Russians? Well, boys, if you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.